Welcome back to my channel. I usually like to post my fishing videos, but today I'm gonna show you guys this super cool GoPro charger. So the GoPro 8 and 11 batteries, they are different. The GoPro 8 is skinnier, as you guys can see here, skinnier and smaller compared to the GoPro 11 battery. So in that case, the GoPro 11 fits well here without the necessity of the adjuster. So in this case, as we know, this battery here is skinnier. We have the adjuster do like this here. All right, and then it's gonna be the same size and the same thickness as the GoPro 11. So now it's about the same size. Let's slide it over here. So this one doesn't need the adjuster and this one has the adjuster because this one is the GoPro 8 battery. So that's how it works. And now here we have the lights on the bottom, the blue lights on the bottom, which indicates how much charge you have on the built-in battery. So this thing here is chargeable. You can put your charger here, which is the plug for the Android here. You have the USB here. Just connect it and then you can connect it and plug it to the wall. So you get the 25, 50, 75 and 100%. Now in my case here, I only have 50% and the third battery is charging at this time. You see the red light here? It's currently charging. And also on the go, if you guys need to charge your phone, this is my iPhone, you can just connect it here, and the other end is the USB connector right here, and right in the back here you just connect it here. You just the light you see, and now it's charging. This is super cool. This is one of the best chargers you guys can have for any application. If you guys do any type of videos using your GoPro, if it's a GoPro 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the latest one, which is 11, that's perfectly fine. You just have to charge it for a couple of hours. It's gonna be completed charge here to the 100 and you guys good to go. So if you guys can get, it's only $39 US dollars. That's super cheap, and that's very cool. That's very nice. That's all I can say. I love it. It's not a lot of money, you know. That's not a lot of money. You guys can charge 3 batteries simultaneously. You guys can also store here your SIM cards, your memory cards up here, and you're good to go. And if you guys found this video useful, I just want to ask you guys to hit the subscribe button or the like button on the video. And if you guys don't like it, just simply hit the dislike button. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Thank you.